We're making a log cabin the easy way. Start with a bunch of strips of fabric that are all the same size. I'm doing 2-inch wide pieces and a random square. You're gonna start by sewing one of your strips onto your square. Line up the edges and then sew them together. Now take your scissors and trim where that strip should end. You're gonna take it over to your iron and press the seam away from your square. Now you're gonna add the next strip on. Then take your scissors and trim your strip down to the right size. Press your seam away from the square, and then you're ready to add your next strip. Make sure you're rotating your block the same direction every time you add a strip. Trim down your strip, iron, and keep going. Then keep repeating these same steps until the block is as big as you want it to be. I wanted mine no bigger than 9 inches, but there are some people who use this method to make a whole quilt, and it's amazing. Log cabins are also just really fun to play around with color. You can put random scraps of fabric in random places, or you can play around with light and dark values by adding dark values to one side and light values to the other, like I'm doing with mine. The possibilities are only limited by your creativity. Experiment, that is where the best mistakes happen. Then make 60 more, and now you've got a quilt. Don't worry, you've got this.